Welcome to Pittsburgh International Airport, where I'm bothering my wife making a video. We're getting on the plane, or getting on the train towards the terminal, and we're gonna go to Boston. So get ready for a good time. It's not busy at all. There's nobody here, which is really weird. We got through security in like 5 minutes, which is super awesome. I love this airport. Made it through security in record time. It's always so easy here, which makes it so great. But this airport, I've been flying out of here for a decade, and it's been really easy and really nice. And not that it's going to make it any worse, but they're totally remodeling it right now. So the whole place is under construction. This terminal is going to be, I think the part we're in might be gone in a couple years. There might be a new section. So I'll show you around a little bit, and we're going to make our way to find a beer, because you can't really fly without a beer. It's pretty much a law in these parts. So let's check it out and let's have a beer. So normally this section is kind of like a bar area, but look at this, totally shut down. A lot of the stores are closed now. There's some shops here. There's a few bars here. This is really good. Bar Simon, the famous chef from Iron Chef, Michael Simon. He's from Cleveland, so around Pittsburgh, Cleveland, he's got a bunch of places. And this is one of his here. I really like it a lot, but they're about to close. Everything's closing kind of early because of the construction, but Permane Brothers, a Pittsburgh staple, we're gonna get a drink there and get something to eat. So that's pretty much it. The terminal is really simple. It's like a cross. There's four, there's A, B, C, and D, and they go in different directions. Oh, I didn't realize this is completely blocked. So normally you would just walk right here, but you're gonna have to go all the way around. But yeah, there's C is here, B is there, and then A and D will be like that. And so it's kind of like a cross pattern. Very, very easy. One terminal. No, once you get from security, you take a train. Once you're here, there's no real like back and forth or anything. You could go from C to D, or A to B, or B to D, or whatever you need to do. So pretty straightforward. Actually a really easy and nice airport to get around. I'm a big fan. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do with the huge renovation. It's like something like a $2 billion renovation that they're doing. So it's gonna be really, really significant. All right, enough with the touring. I want to relax on a nice flight, get the nerves down a little bit. There's only one way. An unbelievable 4-hour delay. We're getting on the plane now. It's like way past when we were supposed to land. And we're just getting on the plane now. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Thank you.
Number what?
7. We made it, finally. All right, let's take off. We made it. Welcome to Boston. All right, we made it into our Japanese micro hotel, which I'll make another video about, but we're here like, what, 3-4 hours later than expected. Tired, kind of sucks, but tomorrow's gonna be a great day, so we'll see you all then.